Good nutrition is the foundation of both health and fitness. Whether your goal is to lose weight, gain muscle, or simply stay active. In this video, we'll break down the basics of nutrition, the role of macronutrients and micronutrients, and how you can build a balanced diet that supports your fitness journey. Importance of nutrition. Nutrition isn't just about calories, it's about the quality of what you eat. A well-balanced diet provides energy, supports recovery after workouts, strengthens your immune system, and helps prevent lifestyle diseases like diabetes, high blood pressure, and obesity. Without proper nutrition, even the best workout routine won't give you the results you're aiming for. Macronutrients, the building blocks. Proteins. Proteins are essential for building and repairing muscles. Good sources include lean meats, fish, eggs, dairy, lentils, beans, and chickpeas. Aim for protein in every meal to support muscle recovery and strength. Carbohydrates. Carbs are the body's primary source of energy. Whole grains, oats, quinoa, brown rice, and fruits give you long-lasting fuel, unlike refined carbs like white bread or sugary snacks. Athletes and active individuals need quality carbs to power through workouts. Fats. Healthy fats support brain function, hormone production, and energy storage. Focus on sources like nuts, seeds, avocados, and olive oil. Avoid trans fats and limit fried or overly processed foods. Micronutrients, small but mighty, vitamins and minerals are equally important for fitness and overall health. For example, calcium and vitamin D strengthen bones. Iron supports oxygen flow in your muscles. Magnesium and potassium help prevent muscle cramps. You can get these from colorful fruits, leafy greens, dairy, and nuts. A varied diet is the best way to cover your micronutrient needs. Hydration and timing. Never underestimate the power of water. Staying hydrated regulates body temperature, improves performance, and speeds recovery. For fitness, meal timing also matters. Eating a light snack with carbs and protein before a workout boosts energy, while a balanced meal after exercise helps with muscle repair and recovery. Tips for healthy eating. Eat whole, unprocessed foods as much as possible. Plan your meals ahead to avoid unhealthy snacking. Balance your plate. Half veggies, 1/4 protein, 1/4 healthy carbs. Limit added sugars and high-salt foods. Remember, moderation is key. Healthy eating is a lifestyle, not a strict diet. Conclusion. Nutrition for health and fitness isn't about restrictions, it's about balance. By fueling your body with the right foods, staying hydrated, and maintaining consistency, you'll have more energy, better recovery, and long-term health benefits. Combine good nutrition with regular physical activity, and you'll set yourself up for a healthier, stronger life.